In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute project notifications in Todoist. If you feel like Todoist is constantly pinging you with alerts for every little change in your projects, this walkthrough will show you how to quiet things down without turning notifications off completely. We'll do everything from inside the Todoist web app, and you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening Todoist in your browser and making sure you're signed in. Look toward the top area of the interface, usually on the left side of the header, where you'll see your profile section. This might appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small profile icon. Click on that profile area to open the account menu. This is where you'll find all the options related to your personal settings and preferences. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This takes you to the main settings page for your Todoist account. Think of this page as the control center where you can customize how the app behaves, including visual preferences, account details, and most importantly for this video, notifications. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see a list of sections or tabs, usually arranged either along the top or down the left side. Find the section labeled Notifications and click on it. This will open a dedicated page that controls when and how Todoist sends you alerts, both inside the app and, depending on your setup, by email or push notification. On the notifications page, scroll until you find the area related specifically to project notifications. The exact wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for options that mention activity in shared projects, comments, assignments, or changes made by collaborators. These are the settings that control when Todoist notifies you about what's happening in your projects. To mute project notifications, simply start unchecking the boxes next to the types of project updates you no longer want to be notified about. Take a moment to read each option carefully so you can decide what to keep and what to turn off. You might want to stop notifications for minor changes while still keeping alerts for tasks assigned directly to you. Adjust these checkboxes until the notification level matches your preference. Most changes here save automatically, so once you've unchecked the boxes you don't want, you're done. Your project notifications will now be quieter, letting you focus on what matters most without unnecessary interruptions.